Welcome to the third video in our course on how to rise up in the age of AI. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of adapting to change in the age of AI and how you can future-proof your career. With the rise of AI and automation, the nature of work and careers is rapidly changing. According to a report by McKinsey & Company, up to 375 million workers, or 14% of the global workforce, may need to switch occupations or acquire new skills by 2030 due to automation. This means that it's important for individuals to understand how their industries and careers are being impacted by AI and automation, and be prepared to adapt to these changes. Adapting to change is crucial in the age of AI because it enables individuals to stay relevant and competitive in their careers. According to a survey by LinkedIn, the top 3 skills that companies are looking for in candidates are creativity, persuasion, and collaboration, all skills that can help individuals navigate the changing landscape of work and careers. In addition, adapting to change allows individuals to take advantage of new opportunities and stay ahead of the curve. For example, the development of AI and automation has created new industries and job roles, such as data scientists and machine learning engineers. Future-proofing refers to the practice of preparing for the future by developing skills that will be in demand, even as industries and job roles change. This is important because it allows individuals to be adaptable and resilient in the face of uncertainty. One way to future-proof your career is to develop skills that are difficult to automate, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, these skills are expected to be in high demand in the next decade. In order to future-proof your career, it's important to adopt a mindset of continuous learning and skill development. This means that you should always be seeking out new knowledge and skills that will make you more valuable in your industry. There are many ways to engage in continuous learning, such as taking online courses, attending conferences, and networking with industry professionals. According to a survey by Deloitte, 94% of executives believe that continuous learning and development is essential for success in their industries. Finally, it's important to adopt a growth mindset when navigating change in the age of AI. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. By adopting a growth mindset, individuals can embrace new challenges and opportunities, and view failures as opportunities for growth and learning. According to a study by Stanford University, individuals with a growth mindset are more likely to take on challenges and persist in the face of obstacles. In conclusion, adapting to change is crucial in the age of AI, and individuals can future-proof their careers by developing in-demand skills, engaging in continuous learning, and adopting a growth mindset. By doing so, they can navigate the changing landscape of work and careers, and thrive in the age of AI. Remember, the future belongs to those who are willing to adapt and learn. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. That concludes our discussion on the importance of adapting to change in the age of AI. We hope you now have a better understanding of the changing nature of work and careers, the concept of future-proofing, and the benefits of continuous learning and skill development. In our next video, we will be exploring the concept of opportunity thinking and how individuals can leverage their skills and experience to pursue new opportunities. Join us as we dive deeper into this exciting topic.